Hey, Auntie, I'm really hungry. Cook corn today.
Yes, of course. Hey, Jessica, how much corn should I cook for you today?
Add more, add more.
I added 1 box.
Add more, add more.
All right, I'm cooking all the corn today. Let's see how she eats it.
Add more, add more. Okay.
Ah, the corn is very tasty today.
Hey, Mom, I'm very hungry. Please let me eat first.
Of course.
Really, Mom? It's very tasty.
Of course. If you are a Messi fan, hit the like button. If you are a Ronaldo fan, like, subscribe, and drop a heart emoji in the comments. Let's see who has more fans.
Oh my god. Auntie, why are you cooking so much corn?
You were the one who said, add more, add more.
Oh, crazy, Mom. I was talking about adding it to the back of the car.